In my last watercolor workshop, I only had one helper. This time, I have 3. Before the watercolor workshop, we practiced painting it. It took us over 10 hours to finish the painting. The problem is, the workshop is only 4 hours. That means we have to knock off 6 hours. During this watercolor workshop, I get to use the shark cups my kids 3D printed. Here we are at the 4-hour mark. Many of the students stayed longer to finish their paintings. Several were painting watercolors for the first time. I'm so proud of my students and the instructors that took this watercolor workshop to the next level. I'm always looking to improve my watercolor workshops. Guess how many mugs, shirts, posters, original paintings I sold? Absolutely nothing, because I thought it was more important that people finish their paintings than buy my merch. But hopefully next time I'll have enough time to just let people know, hey, you can buy one of my hats. My watercolor mentor is gonna kill me. This is what we're gonna paint in the next watercolor workshop. If you wanna join us, sign up today.